Hey guys, welcome back. Today on Choose Your Own Path. Yeah, that's what we call ourselves. Okay, so we are going to be doing keys. Again, we're in the shop, but we're still going to work on some 3D printing stuff. It has to be done, but we do have a project in mind for some wood carving, so hopefully we can get back into that soon enough. You can see that I'm tired all the time, and this is medication that just does this to my eyes, and I'm having a hard time sometimes focusing. So, bear with me, guys, because I'm trying my best, and I'm trying to entertain you guys just like I'm trying to entertain myself. That's why I'm here. Because if you don't do it, I have to do it. Or if you don't do it, I'll do it. Or if I can do it, you can do it. How's that? All right. So we have 5 of these out as an order. Now I'm going to show you just 3 of them because that's, well, whatever, there's 2 more down there. It doesn't matter what the filament we're using. This is the Schnott green. We call it, it's not green, Schnott green. All right. So the only thing is filament does make a difference in your printing. This is like a transparent, it sort of glows in the dark, because at night you could see a little tinge, even especially if there's a little light on it, hits it, whatever, you could see this really well. Problem with this, okay, so here's the thing. Don't say about a billion times, because that drives me nuts, and I'm doing it right now. Don't do that. Okay, so this thing is 3D printed. It's solid. What it's gonna be is a topper for a stick. All right, stick on top of it, and it's gonna look great. Now he wanted 5 of them. So what we've done is we've printed them. This was a brown, so you can see the brown still at the bottom, and it didn't matter because we're gonna be putting a primer. The 3 P's when it comes up to my business is I print it, I prime it, you pay for it. That's it. All right. Spills. All right. So in any way, all right, guys. So what we're doing again is we're making this bird eagle stuff. So the couple things that I'm going to show you what I'm doing is I'm just using a simple file. Now, on this filament, I told you guys it was the Schnott green, we call it not green because whatever. I made a video about this filament, and it is nice filament. There's nothing wrong with it, but I should have maybe tested a bit longer to give out a more honest review of what I think of it. I don't know if I'd want to buy this stuff again. I'm having issues with a lot of stringing. None of my other filament does this, and stringing is just the little hairs that stay on here. And I've tried everything from my heat settings to my retraction settings, everything. Tried lots of stuff, and I can't get it to work. The guy the company that sent me this stuff in China has actually showed me some pictures of what they've done or somebody else has done, and I have no idea. Maybe it's the machine, maybe it's something, I don't know. Anyway, not gonna put down the filament because, like I said, that in that video, if you can work it, then do it. I mean, and they have different kind of filament too. So this is not what I should be saying is maybe this is not the filament that I'd recommend for myself. Others, it's up to you. You have to try it, whatever. So we're going to start off by what I do is I use a couple of tools, and one is just a simple file. Now, what that's going to do is it's going to get down it's going to get down all of the lifting of pieces, like say that there's a lot of, like the stringing, the hair and all that comes off it. So I've done that to all the other ones. I got a couple more that I'm going to get at. Second thing that we do is, well, I'll just bring it down a little bit here. The second thing that I do, and simple, get a lighter. Don't light it and hang it because this is plastic. It will burn. So just enough to get any kind of stringing off it, like little hairs you can't see. Not only that, the heat will basically melt anything that shouldn't be there back together. And like I said, it's just a quick little touch of the lighter. You could use a blowtorch, I guess, if you want, if you're brave enough. I'm just using my lighter. You gotta be careful because it does get hot after a while, and that's it. So once you've done that with it, then you could just slightly go over with your file again, just to see if there's any pieces that would come off. Don't have to worry, even if it did burn a bit of it, it won't make a difference. We will be painting it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the rest of these, and then we're going to go put it on the board, and we're going to give it a shot of spray paint, and we'll show you what it looks like. All right? All right, guys. So here we got them all primed and, well, sanded down to the best we can. You can still see this is just part of the layer lines that goes on with it. You can tweak that down, but it's not horrible. You're going to lay some paint on it, whatever. So these are ready to be sent out. That's it. So thanks for watching. There was never much, going on with it. It's just a small video to keep you, not being bored. That's what I used. Yeah. So again, thanks for watching. If I could do it, you can do it. Choose your own path. Bye-bye.